Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to unpair Bluetooth headphone to our Poco phone. Guys you want to unpair guys your Bluetooth headphone guys. Which headphone guys you have paired and guys you don't want to use guys you want to unpair, so guys you can unpair. And guys how to unpair guys, now let's see. So first of all guys swipe up and guys click on guys your phone setting to unpair. So guys you can see this type of setting, then guys click on guys your Bluetooth setting and guys you can see guys I have paired this headphone. So guys right side guys tap here to unpair option. So as you can see guys there are two options guys. First guys rename option. So as you want to rename guys your headphone name, so guys you can rename from here. So guys you want to unpair, so guys click on unpair option, then guys it will unpair, then guys I will off it guys, I will not use it. So guys I will off it. So guys this headphone will unpair and guys I cannot use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.